Hello everyone, and welcome to R.A.D installs. This is R.A.D Another Day, and today we're going to install that headlight cowl. And I bought this headlight cowl from Shopee, and it came with this very sturdy bracket. I mean, look at the thickness of the metal on this bracket. It's very thick enough so that it won't, the headlight cowl won't vibrate as much. And it also came with these grommets right here. These rubber grommets that will also help prevent the headlight cowl from vibrating a lot. And it also came with these plastic washers and also extra grommets just in case I need them, with extra screws at that. And I got before I forget, this also came with this Allen key, and this entire thing only cost me 2,500 pesos. Now normally if you buy it from a reseller here in Metro Manila, that would cost you around between 4 and 4,800 pesos, depending on the vendor. I've actually seen some vendors sell this for more than 5,000 pesos. I really got this for a good deal, right? So we're gonna install it here on the bracket. We're gonna install the bracket here under the gauge. So if you look at it, right, that's what these are for, these holes. So this goes under the gauge, and then it kind of sits here and a little bit above the headlight. The bracket won't touch the headlight, but definitely will sit right above it. Alright, so I'm gonna install this. This should be quick and easy. So I'm just going to loosen these bolts and then position the bracket. Let's do it.
A few moments later.
There, that's what it should look like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here. That's what it should look like when you position the bracket. So again, the clutch cable should be above the bracket, at least the right arm of the bracket, facing the bike, of course. That's the right side. And make sure that again the clutch cable isn't under, because it's gonna get jammed a little bit and squeezed a little bit. So that might cause problems when you're using the clutch.
More moments later.
Alright, we're done. Okay. Now the only thing is with this cowl, it doesn't actually sit flush into the headlight. As you can see, there's a gap, actually a very sizable gap here under the top of the cowl. You guys can see that very sizable gap. So I don't know how that'll matter when I start riding with this cowl right here. I don't know if this thing will battle. And there's something, the plastic here is actually touching this bracket, so that might be an issue when I start riding it. So we'll find out, especially during highway speeds. We'll see. But overall, I like the look. It's pretty nice. We'll see about function, right? Right now it looks aesthetically pleasing, but function-wise we'll find out. Alright, so thank you again for joining R.A.D Installs. This is R.A.D Another Day. You have a good day. Bye.